Nothing is worse than somebody who thinks they're too important to be arrested.
You understand I have a problem?
We know. We're trying to figure out what
I'm
that
not
problem
drunk.
is.
I'm not drunk.
Okay, well, I smell something that smells alcohol. Yeah. It smells like alcohol.
Cops arrive at a fire station in Florida where an 83-year-old woman pulled in to ask for directions and started screaming at the firefighters.
Hello, ma'am. Officer
how are
Brewer to the
you?
Palm Beach Gardens Police Department. How are you?
Fine. I'm 83 years old. I don't
Okay.
understand what's going on.
Okay, why did you come to the fire station?
Because I was lost.
Where are you trying to go?
I'm trying to go to my home.
Where is your home?
It's right here on the beach. Yeah.
Right here, where?
I'm visiting.
On the
I'm
beach.
renting a place. I don't know it by heart, okay?
That's fine.
Now, why can't you go get somebody bad? Why are you picking on me? I'm a housewife.
They're firefighters.
I came here for help. And look what
Yeah.
you're doing to me. You're torturing me.
Ma'am, he's just standing there.
Oh my God.
Would you prefer that he walked away from the window?
Huh?
Would you prefer that he walked that way a little
Yeah.
bit? Okay.
Get him away from her staring at me.
There's no reason to
What
be
an
rude.
idiot.
He's not doing anything wrong. There's no reason to be rude. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the grocery store.
She's 83. Maybe she feels
Where is
intimidated.
the grocery store?
She's upset about something.
It's all the stuff I bought here. I bought stuff for my grandkids, okay? Here we go. There it is. Trump Golf. I went to the Trump store and got stuff for my kids, okay?
Alright, so
We
you
belong to the Trump Club, okay?
didn't go to the grocery store.
I did go to the grocery store too, but I don't know where the groceries are right now.
Okay.
What are you doing to me? Why are you doing this to me?
I'm just asking
Why?
questions.
Why?
Why?
Yeah, why?
Why? Because you can't seem to answer my questions the way a normal person who is normally functioning would. If that makes sense.
What are you
to
going to do with me? Put me in jail?
If I have to.
Oh my God.
So it would probably be best for you to actually cooperate with me so that we don't have to do that.
I'll try
right?
to cooperate with you. I'm
Okay.
trying.
So I need you to keep your voice down.
We
There's
are
no
very
reason to
prominent
be rude.
people in our town. We contribute to this
believe you.
town.
Here we go.
Everybody.
Okay.
I don't know why you're doing this. Oh my God.
I'm important. You can't yell at me. Nobody's yelling at
I've been
you.
asking you where you're coming from and what you're doing. That's all that I've done. So how
I
about you?
want to talk to my husband.
Okay.
Call my husband. Call my husband, please.
I need you to calm down. I can't help you if you don't help me, okay?
Call
So-
my husband.
I'm gonna try. If I can't get his information, is there another way that I can call him?
Well, we live in California.
Okay, but we're in Florida. I can't get information from California.
I don't have my phone. I would give it to you.
It seems like she just thinks she's so important and she can do what she wants here. The officer's staying calm, but it's very difficult when people who are intoxicated to get any information out of them. So not starting off too well.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second. Just go ahead and hang out for me, okay? Yeah. Oh, that's good. All right. She hates you. I don't know what you did.
You can ask anybody here. I've been just questioning her, and that she's gone after each one of us. No, I know if anybody's nice here, it's like
Well, she did just tell me that she came from the grocery store and then pulled out a Trump golf bag, saying that that's what she got. I'm like,
she's gonna
she definitely. I smell alcohol for sure.
Yeah.
Howdy. We'll see how that goes.
be okay.
You're gonna love her.
It's probably not going to go well.
You gonna do a duty today?
Is she drunk?
And I found a cup in the back seat that you can smell the one.
So she came in for you guys to help her with work.
I hope they got the keys from her car.
She pulled in. Chief Myers was out here.
Yeah.
She was disoriented. It seemed like she was just maybe lost. And when we tried to question her, try to establish her, like if she was altered or not, or what was going on,
Yeah.
she became very belligerent when we were trying to speak to her. The more we questioned her, the more it agitated her.
Yeah.
We told her several times we're just trying to help her, try to figure out what to find her husband. She cannot find her phone. She tried to leave at one point, so we ended up having to take her fob. She's been nothing but belligerent to us the whole entire time.
Oh, she's getting out now.
We tried to help her.
So she's just trying to find some information to be able to help you a little better? Huh? The lady that you were just talking to, the police officer.
Where is he? It's a she. She's over there.
Okay. I'd like to talk to you.
I'm right here.
Oh, here. Hi, I'm Brent.
Hi. Nice to meet you. I don't shake hands.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Diseases. it,
What
miss?
is the problem?
Ma'am, I just got here. I don't know. You tell me. Why are we here?
I have no idea. I came in here for help because I was
Okay.
lost. And now everybody's like, look at this. Everyone's arresting me.
You're not arrested?
I am
If you're
a
arrested,
citizen of this community.
if you were arrested, you would be in handcuffs.
Do you know how much money I give to this community? I dedicate a lot of money.
I really don't.
Okay.
I don't know.
You say you live in California.
What kind of help do you need?
You're visiting.
Am I drunk?
I don't know. You tell me. Have you been drinking today?
No.
You haven't been drinking today?
No.
What did you come in here for, though?
I came here because I was lost.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live right here in the community.
What community are we in?
We're new here, okay? But
Okay,
we
well,
own a
just-
place on the beach. We own a place on the
Okay,
beach.
you just told me that you give a lot of money to the community. Well, this community is Palm Beach Gardens. So where do you live in Palm Beach Gardens?
Okay.
Where?
I don't know offhand, okay? I know we own a place on the beach.
Okay, that's not normal to not know where you live in Palm Beach Gardens.
What are you going to do? You put me in jail? Okay, let's go. Here we go. Put me in jail. Come on. Put me in jail. My husband will
You
save
need
me.
to step back.
I have so many lawyers.
Step back right now.
What are you doing?
Good. Take some
I'm
control
asking
here.
questions.
I don't know my address by memory, okay?
What development do you live in?
I don't know. I live on the beach. We're on the beach.
On the beach.
Okay, but that's
We have
not
a condo
Palm Beach
on the
Gardens,
beach.
because Palm Beach Gardens doesn't have a beach. So
But
you don't
we
live
live
in
on
Palm
the
Beach
beach,
Gardens.
okay? We live on the beach. We have a condo right there on the beach, okay? Very expensive condo.
She has
I
no
bought it.
idea.
Okay.
What are you doing to me? Why are you doing this to me? Why? Go out there and get the bad people. Don't get some little housewife. Go get the bad people that are killing people. Why are you picking on me?
You're not in trouble.
I am a good
came to
person.
us.
You know how much money I give to this community? What are you doing in my car?
I'm not
Anyway?
in your car.
Get out of my car.
I'm not in your car.
Get out of my car.
I
I'm
am
gonna
not
need you to
in
back
your
up
car.
What are you
Don't
doing?
get too
I'm
close
not
there. I need
in
you to
your
back up.
car.
Get away from my car. Get away from
You're
it.
not in charge here, ma'am. You're not in charge.
Oh,
here.
God, can't put me in jail. Put the cuffs on me right now.
I'm gonna tell you right
Oh,
now. If
man.
you don't calm down, you are gonna go
I
in
need to be
handcuffs.
Fine, fine.
She's not acting.
People get
I
so
don't care.
What day is it?
Do you know how much money I have?
I don't.
protective of their property.
I really don't care. Do you know what today is?
I don't know. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday,
Okay.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
What year is it?
Oh, come on.
What year is it?
Give me a f***ing break.
What year is it?
I don't know. 2024.
You're acting very irrational.
Yeah.
So that makes.
What about all the bad people? You're picking on a little
Are
housewife
you gonna let me
who contributed to the city.
You
Go
need-
get the bad guys. Go get the bad guys that are killing
Ma'am,
people.
stop
Why
it.
are you picking on me? Why?
This is the problem dealing with drunk people.
I drive look
I
at the car.
don't care what you drive. You could drive a $2.
Why
car,
are you
$5
picking on
car.
me?
I don't
Why?
care. Not-
Why? I have 5 grandchildren. Okay?
Ma'am,
I got 10.
ma'am,
Congratulations.
you came to us to ask for help. That's why we are here. You're not.
You're not helping
in
me.
trouble.
You're not. That was a big mistake.
I'm trying to
Big
ask you
mistake. You're not
something.
helping me. You're
How am I
making me
not helping
miserable.
you? I'm trying to
Okay,
find your
I just
husband's
don't-
phone number,
Are
and
you
you're out here yelling.
diabetic?
Find my
No, we
husband.
can't talk
Call
too
my
many at
husband.
once.
I was trying to until you started yelling.
Call my husband.
I was trying to until you started yelling at my partner, and I'm just not going to sit in my car while you do that. So I'm going to need you to
Dear
calm
God,
down.
what do you want me to do?
wanna
What do you want me to
I
do?
want you to relax.
Huh?
I want you to calm down. That's it.
Calm down when you're trying to
Yes.
arrest me. You know who I am.
Did I tell you that I was going to arrest you?
We're trying to help
Did
you.
I tell you that?
We're trying to help you.
In my experience in dealing with drunk folks like this is when you tell people to calm down, it only fires them up even more. Let's move on to the next thing is find out, okay, what is your husband's phone number? Where is he right now? Can he pick you up? Where's your driver's license? I haven't even seen them ask for a driver's license yet and ask, hey, let me see your driver's license. Can you drive in the state of Florida? Are you from California? She says she lives there. She says she's visiting. So let's start with the very simple thing. Let's get your identification. Where's your license? Again, I'm not criticizing the officers here. I'm just trying to see, in my experience, what I would do here in this situation if it was me. But this back and forth here is just not going well, and she's not going to respond to that. And she's only going to get more upset. Sometimes it's tough, and we have to swallow our pride and just, allow people to feel like they're important in it. That sometimes will help calm them down.
Call my husband.
I will, but I need you to calm down.
No, calm down.
That is it. Okay. Can you sit back in your car for me, please?
Fine, I will gladly do that.
Thank you.
I smell
Yeah, I smell it.
She's either a diabetic or she.
Oh
Well,
my
you said
God!
that they found
Why did
stuff.
you go pick on the bad guys, the criminals?
Ma'am,
I am a
ma'am.
woman. I live here. I contribute to this community.
Ma'am, I understand that.
Go
You've
pick
said
on the
it
bad
multiple
guys.
times. Nobody's
Why
picking
are
on
you picking
you.
on me?
Nobody's
I
picking
give
on
money
you.
to this community all the time.
I think
You got the wrong person.
You definitely drunk.
Would you let the paramedics check your blood sugar?
No, I don't want anything checked.
Are you a diabetic? Are you a diabetic?
I didn't say it was a
Do we even know her name yet?
That's none of your information.
Okay,
You
well,
don't
here's-
need to know that.
Okay, well, let me explain something to you. I smell something. Either you're possibly a diabetic or you've been drinking, one or the other, and your behavior could be either because you're irrational. One minute you're very calm, and the next minute you're screaming,
I want my
yelling.
husband. I want my husband here right now. I'm not answering any
Well,
more of your
what's his phone
questions.
number?
I want my
What's
husband.
his phone number?
I don't know it by heart.
Well, how do you expect us to know your husband's phone number?
Call information.
For his cell phone number?
Yeah.
Does that even work anymore?
Their
Information?
isn't even a thing anymore.
You won't call my husband? You won't call my husband? Excuse me?
I said
You're going to regret that. You're going to regret that.
I'm not going to regret anything.
You're gonna regret making a phone call
Call my
or not making a phone call.
I demand you call my husband. I demand it. I want my husband called. I want my husband called. I want my
I'm important. I demand my phone call.
Put me in jail.
but you-
I want my
nobody-
husband. I want my husband called. My husband needs to be called. He looks after me.
Can you come over here?
What are we doing?
want my husband
Come on,
called.
make a decision here. What are we doing? I'd like to know where the keys are for the car.
Husband called.
Let me explain something to you.
Do you understand? I have a problem.
We know we're trying to figure out what
I'm
that
not
problem
drunk.
is.
I'm not drunk.
Okay, well, I smell something that smells alcohol. Yeah, smells like alcohol.
Okay, put me in jail. Let's go. Let's go. Put me in jail. Here we go. Here we go. Put me in jail.
Oh, there we go.
Damn door. I got that. I'm telling you that right now. You're not hitting me with the door.
Oh my God.
You want it? You're
I'm 85 years old. What are you doing?
You said 83.
What are you doing to me?
You hit her with the
What are you
door.
doing to me?
Relax. It's too late now.
You put me in jail.
Yep.
Yeah, you hit her with the door.
You hit me with the door. That's it's the game's
did that.
over. We're not playing now.
Okay, put me in jail. I don't care. I have so much money I'll get out of
I
this.
don't
You
care.
f***ing assholes, you. You f***ers.
God dang it.
Come on, lady, get the cuffs on.
What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? I'm 85 years old. What are you doing to me? That hurts. It hurts. It hurts. That hurts. It hurts. It hurts.
No, it doesn't.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh, man. Now we're going to cause a scene. We still don't know this lady's name.
You like yourself? You feel good about this? You feel good about this? You feel good about rushing some old lady?
Well, ma'am.
I have 5 grandchildren.
Ma'am.
Think about your grandchildren.
Hello, good evening. How are you? How you doing?
I'm not doing well. I don't know.
I
What are
know.
you doing? Why are you
Yeah,
feeling
hold
my
on.
titties?
Hold on. Listen,
I don't have any f***ing weapons.
listen, you made a bad decision because we were just going to get your husband to come pick you up. But since you decided to hit my partner with the door, that's a bad move, okay?
Fine, put me in jail. I don't care.
All right, but you
I'm
did
going
that.
to jail. What's this?
You're gonna sit in here. So turn around.
Ow! Ow! This hurts my hand. This hurts my hand.
Calm
This
down.
hurts my hand.
Now we're acting.
What are you doing to my hand? It hurts. It hurts. You gotta
Oh.
stop that. You gotta stop that.
Calm down.
This is not that tight, all right?
You're gonna be
Relax.
sued so bad.
Listen,
Go ahead and sit down.
before you make
You're
another
gonna
bad
be sued so
decision,
bad.
have a
Go ahead
seat.
and sit down.
I made a bad decision by what?
I don't miss these days.
You shouldn't have done that. Put your feet in the truck. Come on. All right, lesson learned. Have a good evening.
Is what you're talking about?
Brought that in from the club, probably. All right, a few things here. Obviously, she was belligerent, she was irrational. You know, you could tell she's intoxicated at that point. These cases are tough. I mean, she's off the highway. None of the police officers witnessed her driving. So you can assume she drove there. People can tell you that she drove there, but unless the officers saw it themselves or she was involved in an accident, you can't charge somebody with DUI if they're in a parking lot and you didn't see them driving. The woman got charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and disorderly conduct. She never could tell them where she lived, and she never could give them her husband's phone number. She has not been proven guilty. If you like seeing these cases broken down from a law enforcement perspective, subscribe to the channel.